So if you remember the George of the Jungle movie starring Brendan Fraser, there's that scene where he's dancing around the fire with Ursula, and the song Dela by Johnny Clegg and Savuka is playing. Really cool song, and there are 3 drum fills from that song that I want to talk about today. Let's play through them at 103 BPM, and then we'll talk about them. So here's fill 1, and then we'll do 2 and 3. Here we go. Okay, so something really cool about these fills. So if you count 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, the first fill starts on the and of 2. The second fill starts right on 2, and the third fill starts on the and of 1. So the drummer is progressively moving the fill closer to 1, right? It's systematic. And then the other thing is, the first fill, he flams just on the rack tom. The second fill, he flams between the rack tom and the snare. And the third fill, he flams on the snare. So it's increasing in intensity. It's increasing in duration and intensity throughout the song, which is a really cool thing. It's something to think about, that on the drums, don't just throw something random out, a random fill. Feel it out. If it feels good, cool, play it, whatever. But it's just cool to notice that this drummer really thought through this and was crafting the song and doing it on purpose rather than just a random selection of fills. So with that, I am going to include notation for these fills in the description so you can check out how to play these, but I'll play through them slow. Here's fill 1, again, then we'll do 2 and 3, nice and slow so you can hear what's going on. Here we go. And there you have it, the 3 fills from the song Dela by Johnny Clegg and Savuka. Really cool stuff, really groovy, really hip. Check it out. Thanks for taking a look at Tempo League. Please subscribe. Putting out a video every Tuesday at 2 o'clock, right now, 2 p.m. And head on over to tempoleague.com if you need help with your hands or your feet, your hand technique, your foot technique. Got some courses over there, stuff that really helped me improve. And I believe it'll do the same for you, right? We focus on the things that will really help you actually see improvement. I give you exercises, stuff like that will keep you on track and improving. Thanks so much. Have a great week.